From KETK News, you're watching East Texas Live.
Welcome back to East Texas Live on KETK. KETK's East Texas Live. Joining us now is Rachel Luttrell. She is with DivaDance East Texas, and she's here to chat a little bit about her expanding business. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for coming on.
Happy to be here.
Yeah, we're happy to have you. So, first, can you just tell us a little bit about DivaDance East Texas?
Yes, so DivaDance is actually a franchise based out of Austin. It is an adult hip-hop dance fitness experience. We are all about building confidence, building community, getting a good workout, making friends, and just having a good time.
Yeah, no, that sounds like a lot of fun, because I know maybe to some people going to the gym kind of seems a little intimidating, but I love to dance. So This sounds like it could be a really good workout.
It's a great cardio option for those people who are intimidated, don't want to go lift weights, don't want to spend an hour running on the treadmill, and you can just go and have a great time.
Yeah, it sounds like more fun. You're having a dance party more than you're actually working out. That's what I need to tell myself. But okay, so tell me, why did you get involved with this business?
So I moved to Tyler like 10 years ago, and I had been looking for something like this ever since I moved here. I loved to dance back in high school and college, and I just never found a good option out here for adults. We have so many dance studios for children.
Yeah.
And then some of my friends back in Austin started posting videos of their DivaDance classes, and I was like, oh, this looks so much fun. And I went back to Austin, took some classes, and I decided we needed to have this in Tyler.
Yeah. Awesome. And how many people do you have involved in this class? Do you see a lot of people? What are the ages that you usually see?
Yeah, so our class sizes vary. Each class is a different song. So if it's a less known song, you might have a smaller class. If it's, you know, Beyonce, we'll fill up the room.
Oh, I bet.
But and ages is literally anyone. If you're an adult, we have people from 18 years old to 75.
Oh, wow.
So, yes. Yeah.
So perfect, like a good mix for everyone. There's a space for every age. Now, you guys are expanding. You're here in Tyler, but you are expanding business.
Yes. So we've been in Tyler now for about 2 years. From the beginning, I wanted to have, you know, Tyler and Longview, hopefully Kilgore pretty soon too. But, you know, COVID happened, so we kind of delayed our plans. But now we are ready, we're back, and we're super excited to meet everybody in Longview and start taking over the fitness world there.
Yeah, for sure. Now, how can people sign up to be a part of the class, or maybe is there a trial run for people to see if they would like this?
Yes, so if anyone can find us on Instagram, we're at DivaDance ETX. You can also find us on Facebook, DivaDance East Texas. You can send me a message and just say KETK that you saw us on here. We can set you up with a free 10-day trial. You can also go online to book parties, book open houses. That's at our website, which is divadanceetx.pike13.com.
And would you say this is something for everyone? Do you think that everyone should give this a try?
Yes, literally DivaDance is for any gender, any dance ability, any fitness level. We are all inclusive. People I know feel nervous sometimes. They're like, I'm so scared to try it because I don't have a friend to come with me, or I've never danced before, or I feel overweight. But once you walk in, it's so great seeing people's faces just kind of like go from nervousness to just excitement and feeling so welcomed by everybody.
Well, that's awesome, Rachel. I'm probably going to have to give you a call, because that sounds like a really great way to stay in shape and also have some fun. Thank you for coming on.
Thank you so much for having me.
We appreciate it, and good luck with everything.
Thank you.